Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit an image in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now I will edit this image. Select this home option and here you will find this edit option and select an image and click on this image and select and see this. And press Ctrl key for your keyboard and you can increase decrease this image size with same ratio. Also you can increase decrease image size customly and click this format option and you can see this image opacity option. You can see this and see this 20% and make it 100%, and this is balance mode. You can see this option which is normal, and also you can replace this image. You can OCR, you can save this image, you can recompress, and this arrange option. You can rotate this image and see this. You can front, being backward, set backward. Also you can say their image size. And see this. You can see this image height. And you can move this image anywhere and click right button. You can deselect image, you can copy, cut, you can duplicate this image, also you can align and so on. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.